we're making some oatmeal using quick oats from Target. These are whole grain, which is better for you. And so I cooked the oatmeal for about 2.5 minutes with about a cup of milk in the microwave. And then I added some frozen blueberries, which helps to cool the oatmeal and thicken it up. I'm also going to add some flaxseed, which is like I guess it's made from flaxseed, like nuts or seeds, and it's ground into like almost like a powder. And I add about, I don't know, about a tablespoon of that. It's good for your digestive system. The other thing I'm going to add is some of this, what they call mixed nut butter, which is, again, a combination of like nuts and seeds. You see here, almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, and so, I mean, it's kind of like peanut butter, but it's not, and it tastes really good. So I'm gonna add some of that as well. And I'm gonna add some cinnamon. And then finally, I add some multi-floral clover honey from Trader Joe's. And then I'll just like mix all that together, and then I'll enjoy.